Yeah, ready? Hi, this is Shilpa Shetty Kundra and you're watching me on Pinkvilla. Hi guys, let's talk about my love for yoga. With ghee and turmeric, ginger, pepper and lots of warm water after that. Not really. I don't eat anything before my yoga practice. You're supposed to ideally have an empty stomach. So maybe water 15 minutes before. If it's an early morning practice, that's all I'll have. If it's a mid-morning practice, maybe fruit and some tea. And I make sure that my stomach is empty before I start my practice. I think you should do yoga, period. You can't just do 3 asanas, but if you want my favorites, my pick would definitely be the Dhanurasana, a great asana for your back, for your abdomen, strengthens your core, flexibility. I also recommend the Vrikshasana. It's great to understand your sense of balance and practice focusing, so it helps you to focus better. And the third, but one of the most important practices in yoga is the pranayama. It's not really an asana, but pranayams are extremely important just to have that awareness of breath. So I would suggest maybe Kapalbhati or Anulom Vilom. It'll definitely cleanse your head of any negative thoughts and also cleanse your lungs. That you have to perfect or rather contort your body. That's an absolute misconception. Yoga is a science and you will keep getting better every day with every session and you will get to know yourself better. Yoga is not just external. It works on your mind. It is the single most holistic way to improve your mental health and your physical health all together greatly. I really believe that we underestimate the power of how we think, and I think it's important to also understand that one must have control over their mind and not the other way around. I feel the mind controls us and we have people controlling and doing the thinking for us many a times in the kind of hard-pressed lives that we're leading. So I feel yoga definitely helps me, or rather helps me train my mind in that aspect to kind of switch off from the crazy, erratic schedules and the chatter, and it just helps me go inward. And when I am able to attain that balance with my chakras and my mind being aligned, it helps me stay calm. It's very easy to kind of, wither away in the industry that I belong to. So I think yoga has definitely helped me gather my senses. It's been proven. That's why it's called a science. And pranayamas can actually change your nervous system, the parasympathetic nerves, and the production of cortisol. Your stress hormones can be reduced, and it can actually help you increase serotonin. So I just feel that we're dabbling with such stressful lives that we definitely must turn towards yoga and pranayama if you are suffering with insomnia, and you will see a big change in your life. Like I just said, it will help you increase the happy hormones, and when your cortisol levels are high, your digestion reduces, your melatonin will be reduced, which is what causes insomnia and anxiety. You will see with something as simple as an Om chant can actually change your nervous system. And they say that your neurotransmitters just get charged and start working differently. So just try it and you'll see a big change in your life, and it'll be a positive one. I think it is all interconnected, and spirituality has nothing to do with religion. It is a sense of belief, a belief that if you focus on the positives, the outcome will be positive. So for me, if you are connected with the universe and if you're thinking positively, not just for yourself, but even for other people, automatically everything will be positive and will be good. So yoga, I think, it just makes you a better person. When you're balanced from within, it changes your thought process, and thoughts become things. And when you're thinking good, you only end up meeting good people and doing good things. Not just this yoga day, but every day, yoga is and must become a lifestyle and not just a fad. Don't take it up because you want to look cool or you want to get into shape. Take it up because it will change your life, because it will also make you understand the person you are from within, and it'll help you recognize your soul. And that is so important, I feel, to be able to be in sync with your soul. Your mind, your body, and your soul have to be connected, and only yoga is able to do that. And I'm saying this out of experience and practice. So try it. Yoga not just on International Yoga Day, but every day.